In this video, I will show you how to change the screen size of your Roku TV to full screen. So if you're watching any movie or content on your Roku TV and you notice that there are some borders around the TV or the picture size of the content you're watching on your Roku TV does not just fit the TV screen, this video will show you how to change the screen size to full screen. Now over here, I have my TCL Roku TV, but it doesn't matter the brand or type of Roku TV you have. This video should help you adjust or change the screen size of any Roku TV you have. And to do this, basically you want to go ahead and open up the content you're watching on your TV. Take for instance, if I am watching a YouTube video, so I'll just go ahead and open up one of my videos on YouTube. Now taking this YouTube video for instance, and again this applies to any streaming app you're using on your Roku TV, what you can actually do to adjust the screen size is to go ahead and press on this hash button over here to bring up the picture settings menu on your Roku TV. So you want to go ahead and press on this asterisk button over here, and you're going to see this menu on the left hand side of your Roku TV. Now go ahead and select the picture settings and then scroll down to where you have the customize picture. Now you just want to continuously scroll down until you get to the picture size option, and you can literally see that over here. Go ahead and click on it, and from here you can now choose the screen size you want for your Roku TV. So since we want it to be full screen, we're just going to go ahead and choose the zoom option, which is usually on full screen, or you can just choose the stretch option, which automatically stretches the picture to fill up the TV screen. So you can go ahead and choose any of these options to change the screen size of your TV to full screen. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.